Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here, and hope you're having a Fox-tastic day. Hey, if you're the kind of person that likes to stay broke, then AI Viral Downline sucks. If you're the kind of person that likes to work hard and not smart, then AI Viral Downline sucks. If you're the kind of person that likes to have excuse after excuse after excuse, then AI Viral Downline sucks. But if you're a person who wants to succeed at making money online, then AI Viral Downline is just for you, right? Because with Emily, our AI viral assistant, who greets your prospects, who greets your referrals, she's going to help them to understand exactly what the program's about. And when she helps them understand what the program is about, she encourages them to go ahead and join and take the 7-day free trial. So the thing is, she's working 24/7 for you. So when you're sleeping and a prospect comes to your site, she's still working for you. Still working for you to show that prospect exactly how they can make money with AI Viral, but also how they can use the various tools that are available to help them to succeed online and help you to succeed online. It's just that simple. AI is taking over. We all know that. So we should use it to our advantage. And having Emily right there talking to the people, the first thing they see helps to convert your prospects and get them to take that 7-day trial. And not only that, then there's follow-up after that. Once they've taken the 7-day free trial, there's follow-up after that to show them how to go ahead and upgrade and become an active member in the system. Now, there's lots of tools available to you, and more are going to be added, including the usage of the AI Emily. But also, you can use this system to promote any program that you want to promote, or any product that you want to promote, using the posting tool that's available, the social posting tool that posts to 9 different social media accounts. Like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all those different places you can post to. Now, when I talked about Emily's or AI Viral sucks at letting you stay broke, well, there's never any guarantee of making money in these programs. Anybody comes and says, "Oh, you can make this amount of money," and don't listen to them, because there's no guarantee to this. But what I do guarantee is that this system works 24/7 to help you to make money. And the pay plan is real simple. It's a 3x8 matrix. But even before that, there's a fast start bonus. So it only costs $28 to join AI Viral Downline. And anybody you refer, you get a $25 fast start bonus. That's like almost 90% that you're getting as a fast start bonus. So when you refer 2 people to upgrade, you've already paid and ahead of the game, because you only paid $28 to start. If you refer 2 people, you got 25 plus 25 is 50, right? Okay, and you're ahead of the game. You're in profit already, just on your fast start bonus. But here's where it even gets better: that second month. Because in the second month, we have that 3x8 matrix I mentioned. And for every person on your first line, maximum is 3, you get paid $10 in the matrix. So if you have 3 people on your front line, and that's whether you brought them there or your upline brought them there, but you have 3 people on your front line, because you can get spillover, right? And so you get paid $10 per person. That's $30 you get just on your front line alone. That pays for your monthly membership, and you still got $2 good to go. All right. So this program is designed so that anybody that just puts in some effort can make money. But let's say that you want to be lazy, which I don't recommend that you do at all. Okay? If you just be lazy and do nothing, you have the potential to make over $6,000 a month. Now, I don't recommend that. That's not the way you want to approach it. But maybe you're joining the business just because you want to use the tool. Okay, you're not interested in the making money part. So if you join just to use the tool, the matrix is going to still working for you because of spillover and things like that. No guarantee on how long that will take, but it can. So doing nothing in the matrix, you're going to make up. You could have the potential to make up to $6,000 a month. Okay, and so I mentioned it's a 3x8 matrix. So that first line, you're going to get paid $10 per person that's there. On your second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh line, you're going to get paid $2 per person. And all that adds up together to get you to where you can make over $6,000 a month. But you take some initiative and you personally refer 3 people. 3 people, that's it. Then that opens up that 8th line. And on the 8th line, you're getting paid $3 per person. I don't know if I mentioned you get paid $2 per person on second, third, fourth, fifth, and 7th line. That's if you recruit nobody. Then when you recruit somebody, that 8th line opens up and you get paid $3 per month. And when that happens, $3 per person per month on that line, when that happens, then you have the potential to be making not $6,000 per month, but over $26,000 per month. Right? This is how it helps you to not stay broke. Again, no guarantees, but the system works. It's just plain. It's just a plain, simple system. There's no check matching. There's no you got to get this many people to make some money. It's made for simplicity. Right? So the money's there to be made. Working harder is not in the ballpark for this, because with the posting tool, you can set up to be posting and promoting your products within the system itself. Your referrals see what you're promoting. So it removes excuses about I don't have enough time. Well, you have time because the AI Viral Downline does the work for you. It eliminates the excuse of it's too hard to make any money with this system. No, it's not. I just showed you how easy it is to make money with this system. So if you don't want a marketing system that sucks, and you want a marketing system that sucks in leads for you or converts leads for you, helps you convert leads, then Emily through the AI Viral Downline is what you want. Okay? So I wanted you to understand that this is a great system. It works well. People are getting paid sometimes 2 or 3 times a week. So this is not a fly-by-night. This is built for long term. So I have a link in the description below. You can join for free and take a 7-day free trial. You don't have to put a credit card in or anything like that. You don't have to put any payment information in to take the free trial. And during the free trial, you can make money. You can earn commissions. You actually can earn commissions during the free trial. Now, you can't withdraw the commissions until you upgrade it. Okay? But that would give you a chance to see, by taking the free trial, it gives you a chance to see how you can make money with it. It gives you a chance to use the product so you can see the value that's being provided in the system. So click on the link, take the 7-day free trial. Let's connect up, and let's not make your business marketing suck for you. Let's make it excel and success for you. So you take care for now. You have a foxtastic day. And by the way, if this is your first time here, welcome aboard. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any my videos I put out. In fact, click on the bell. That way you'll get notified when I put out new videos on a regular basis to help you to make money. So I'll see you in the next video, and you have a foxtastic day.